Hello, everyone, and welcome to this special YouTube live. Uh, AlgoTest is very happy to showcase this new feature that we have released with TradingView. So, an integration with TradingView, wherein you can uh, integrate your AlgoTest account and your TradingView account, and based on your TradingView signals and alerts, we can take a trade automatically. So we'll just wait for some time for people to join. And always just write on the chat box if you can hear me. All right, great. We're just waiting a few minutes for others to join. Please be patient. So I'll just discuss the strategy which I have in mind. We're going to take a very simple strategy, which is a sample. I don't use this strategy. I don't recommend this strategy. It's just a simple strategy to demonstrate the power of this integration and how you can, harness the power of AlgoTest and TradingView to automate all your trades. So basically, what I was thinking of was have a very simple strategy wherein we look at this indicator called the RSI. Most of you are familiar, on a 5 minute time frame, and we are going to put a condition wherein it says if the RSI on the 5 minute time frame crosses 70 uh, by the at the money call. It RSI is a indicator that shows that there is strength in the trend. So I'm just going to use that to to make this strategy. So in order to do that, first, we'll have to make a strategy in AlgoTest. So what I'll do is go to AlgoTest, sign in. If you do not have a AlgoTest account, just sign up uh, right now, and I'll put the links, and someone from the team is going to put the links in the chat. So this is the dashboard that we have. I'm just going to add new over here and make the strategy. The strategy is very simple. If the RSI on the 5 minute time frame for the Bank Nifty crosses uh, 70, then uh, buy the at the money call. So I'm going to put an entry time of 316 and an exit time of 329. So what that actually means is not that I'm going to enter at 916. It just means that I'll start listening to the signal at 916. That's it. And at 329, I'll exit the position. All the trading view positions are intraday, right? We do not have any uh, positional positions as of now. So the strategy was very simple. When my signal comes, I want to buy the call at the money call, and I'm going to keep a stop loss of 20%. Again, I haven't done any back testing, or there's no reasoning why I'm doing this. It is just something uh, that I thought of. So I'm going to save the strategy as TradingView RSI. All right. So now I'm going to go to paper trade, right? And I am going to go under TradingView Strategies. So you can see that the TradingView RSI strategy is right here. All right. So before that, I'll just have to connect this TradingView. So as soon as you click on the connect button, you get the access token. This access token is only showed to you once. So I'm going to copy this access token and I'm going to save it somewhere secure. This is something like your API secret or your password. Everyone needs it. And this is the way how we secure the connection. So what it says is it is only shown once and you have to save it. Are you sure you want to connect? Yes. So these are the instructions that you need to follow. They might be looking too much, but trust me, they're very simple. You can even look at that quick tutorial video over here for more info. So having said that, let me just copy my access token on the WordPad. Yep. Now let me go to TradingView and add an alert. So the alert I want is that if the RSI crosses up value 70, then I need to buy the at the money call option. Um, so when does the trigger, when do we trigger it? Do we trigger it only once? Do we trigger it once per bar? So every 5-minute bar has an open high low close. So whenever the current high breaches of the current candle breaches 70, do you want to take it then? Or do you want to take it once per bar close? Only at the bar close do you want to enter, right? So I am going to choose once per bar close. I am choosing this, just for demonstration purpose. I only want to take the trade once the RSI of the 5-minute Bank Nifty spot, right? I've selected the spot chart over here. If it crosses above 70, so that means the previous close was below 70, maybe it was 65, and the current close is above 70, maybe 71, 72, whatever. Only then will it trigger. And there is a very interesting condition here, which says crossing up. There are many other conditions, you can check it out on TradingView, but the one I'm using is crossing up, for the simple reason that I only want when the RSI trajectory is also up, not when it's just greater than 70. So what I need to do is for algo test to get this signal, I need to do some connections. So I'm going to copy this entry webhook URL and I'm going to paste it under this notifications tab. Uh, and then I'll copy this uh, JSON code, and I'll paste it in the message section. So this code has, you just need to mention your access token, which we saved earlier on the notepad. and you paste it here. And the alert name that you give, you can give any name, RSI 70, right? That is the message you're going to get. That is the alert name you're going to get. Uh, RSI 70. And that's about it. I'll click on create. On the paper trade, I'll click on OK. And you see the status has changed to listening. Uh, the the system. So basically, AlgoTest is now listening for the alert from TradingView. And as soon as the alert comes, and you will be able to see the alert both on TradingView as well. If you just scroll to the right and click on this uh, clock sort of a icon called alerts, and you can see that this RSI 70 that we configured right now is active, and it's actively looking for that signal wherein the RSI, which is currently at around 60, breaches the 70 level. You can see it over here. All right, so we can either wait, or I'll try to induce the signal. Let me do that. So what I'll do is I'll make the condition a bit liberal, wherein I'm going to say if the RSI is greater than 50, and only once, not always, only once. Why I'm doing this? Because I just want to trigger this and demonstrate how AlgoTest is going to take the trade. If it is greater than 50, then uh, give me an alert, right? So this is going to give an alert immediately, and it should take a paper trade also immediately. So I'm just going to save this, and you see here the alert has come. And similarly, we're going to see a paper trade right here. Just going to refresh this. It's right here. You can view the trades. This is the M2M, live M2M, the approximate margin. So the at the money is 39,700. You can see the market is also exactly 39,703. That is when the system has taken a trade. The trade price was 393. uh, the stop loss is it's a buy position, so it's at 20% lower price, and it's gonna keep continue with the position till either or the stop loss, which I have defined as 20% less, or the time exit happens, right? You can check it out over here, right? The market is going up. So now I think maybe we can change our go to our original one where it says crossing up 60 once per bar close, still making it liberal. Yeah, so the previous close was 59, so I'm hoping this one triggers in 5 minutes. Let me just save it. Yeah, so here you can see again. I'll open it up for you. The changes I made was, instead of just saying greater than 50, I said if the RSI crosses 60. So the previous on the close, so previous close was below 60 and the current close is above 60. That is when the uh, TradingView alerts AlgoTest to take the trade. All right. So this is the condition. We have around 2 minutes for this condition to be triggered. You can see at 13:40 it's going to trigger. Oh, I guess it's a buying day. We already made around 1,000 bucks. So I can see the previous close was 59.30. I'm pretty sure it's going to trigger if So along with RSI, you can use many other indicators, all the indicators of TradingView. You can make your own Pine scripts wherein you can add different conditions uh, as well, wherein, if you have three, four indicators merged together, if you want, say, moving average crossover, how you can do this, that's a very popular strategy that people have. One moving average is at 9, the other one is at 20, right? So let me just change the color. Okay, the RSI is above 70 now. Oh wow. So a moving average crossover, very easy. You set an alert, you put moving average crossing up the 20. Simple as that. So moving average 9 crosses up the 20 uh, once per bar close. Okay, now see, the our signal has come that the RSI is crossing above 60. This was the signal. All right, I'm sure we'll see over here. The second trade has also been taken, 39,900 this time at 300 rupees. The spot you can see is at 39 795. So yeah, both the trades have been taken at the right time. One was greater than 50, the other one is if the RSI crosses above 60 on a close basis. All right, so both the trades have been taken successfully and correctly. So yeah, I was just showing you how a moving average crossover can be done. So here I put moving average at 9, crosses above the moving average at 20, once per bar close. What that means is at the 5 minute, we select the move, we calculate the moving averages, and if the 9 was below the 20 earlier and now it's above the 20, that is when I'll take the trade. That's all it means, and it has to cross up, right? And so that means it was below earlier and above now. If it remains up, that is not when the system is going to take the trade. It is only going to take the trade when it crosses above. You can put a SL, or there is another exit criteria that we have, which is you can also exit. Yeah, show me. Let me connect this. Okay, let me make a new one. I'll make a new one, which is also TradingView MA crossover. So I go into the live trade, go to the trading view, oh sorry, paper trade, go to the TradingView strategies, TradingView moving crossover. Everything that you can do on paper, you can do on the live as well. You just need to connect your broker, set up a broker, connect it. We have 8 brokers associated. You can connect with any one of them. We have a special plan with the IFL and with Nuvama as well if you're interested. Sorry. So moving over crossover. So yes. So you can see there is an entry and there is an exit webhook, right? If you want to enter and exit at the with an indicator, right? You can do that with this integration. So basically your entry is also with an indicator and your exit is also by an indicator. So what I'm going to do is entry webhook URL, I'm going to copy, and again, I'm going to paste it here. Similarly, I'm going to copy this JSON and paste it here. So what I'm saying is if the 9 crossing up 20 on the close, that is when I have to take the trade. So I'm just going to put my saved access token. If even if you, as soon as you integrate TradingView plan with us, you're going to get this access token, which is only shown once. Even if you delete it or lose it, doesn't matter. You can always regenerate it. MA cross entry. All right. So I am going to create this. So this is just my entry. Now you'll ask me, what about the exit? That's for that, so now I have the RSI 70, which is live. Okay, let me name this MA cross entry. So I'll create another one, which again, I'll put the webhook URL. Now the webhook URL I'll put is the exit webhook URL. Be very careful. Right? I'm going to again copy this JSON and I'll paste it here. So you only need to do this to set up the strategy. You don't need to do this every day, right? Once the strategy has been set up, you can use it without activating it. It'll, keep listening for the signal from your defined time, which is your entry and your exit time for the next 28 days. So this activity needs to be done only once, provided you don't, keep altering the strategy. So, MN cross exit. All right. So I'm going to create this and I'm going to say OK here. All right. Now you can see both those strategies are listening. So the only thing I want to mention about the exit uh, thing. Oh, we didn't set it up. So let me set it up. So now what happens is if the 20 crosses above the 9, right? So the 9 is falling and the 20, okay. So yeah, we'll don't worry, I didn't set it up correctly. It won't take the trade because it was an exit trade. You can see over here. It needs to take the entry first for the exit trade to happen. Okay. So you can see the system hasn't taken any trade. So what I'll do is what I'm saying is that the 9 is falling and it crosses either that or the 20 is crossing up. Or I can say the 9 is crossing down the 20. That can also be done. You can say, so this just means whenever this happens, right? Uh, it's going to take the exit, and the exit will never be taken before an entry. So if, say for example, if you entered your position, if you bought the call, it won't happen that, and before your buying condition, your entry condition, your exit condition come, it does not mean that the system is going to sell the call, right? It is just going to wait. You'll definitely see a notification here, and you can check the alert logs over here, but it won't take a trade on neither your broker or nor your paper trade. All right. So I'm just going to say save here. So this is how the MA cross and the MA exit is triggered, right? So since, how do I define the difference between the two? Very simple. I'll go over it again. I've copied the entry webhook URL for the entry condition, which was that 9 crosses up the 20, and I have copied the exit webhook URL for the exit condition, which was that the 9 crosses below the 20, right? It's a very simple moving average crossover strategy. So it will keep on taking a trade when the entry comes, and exiting when the exit signal comes. If the exit signal comes before the entry, it will not take any trade, as you saw earlier, right? So yeah, now I just want to show you how you can make your strategies as I showed you: buy a call, sell a put, anything, and use all the functionality of TradingView, of AlgoTest, which is SL, TSL, uh, or target, overall target, uh, and you can do 920 straddles as well, on based on indicators. Maybe you have an indicator wherein you say that if the moving average crossover has happened, then I think the market is going to be directional, so I'll take a directional straddle. A directional straddle is nothing but a straddle with small SLs, where legwise SLs are small, so that you're able to catch the trend, right? So you can do so much with your 920 straddles, also with this functionality. So at the end, I just wanted to show that the TradingView feature is available here. It's for very cheap. All these functionality with TradingView is very cheap. It's for 750 bucks, and if you take the highest plan, you can get it for even cheaper, for around 640 bucks. Which is another 15% discount, right? And along with that, you need a TradingView Pro plan. If you do not have the Pro plan, you can take it from us, and we'll definitely give you something special if you take the TradingView subscription and Pro plan from us, right? So, oh, I think we're making good on our trades. So I'll just square off all. You guys can always get in touch with us on our Telegram channels, on our social media. The Telegram channel, the YouTube channel, and Twitter, they're all mentioned over here, right? You can check it out. And for any queries, even uh, relating to TradingView integration, how you can do it, how you can do your strategies, we're here to help. And you can always DM me on Telegram. uh, just DM CJ. I'm CJ, so I'll definitely help you out over there. All right. Hope this session was good for you. We'll be putting a recorded version on our channel as well. It will be available right after this live. Uh, I hope you guys enjoyed this. And for any queries, you can always comment, or Telegram is there. We're there to help you. All right. Thanks. Bye.